So this is what I'm doing. Took the plasma cutter. There's a bed mount, 2003 bed mount here. Cut that off and use the plasma cutter and blew the heads off the cold rivets. Is that what you call them? Let me know. I think that's what you call them. But blew the heads off, and then just use a center punch here and pop them out. Before I do all of these, I'm going to have to block the frame up and get it positioned for moving this axle forward. Fall down. The one up there I still haven't gotten. Well, I'm going to go ahead and grind all this off and clean up this a little bit, knock these rivets out, block it up, and then I'll show you what we'll do as far as moving it forward. Should be able to just use a plasma cutter and blast a hole and move those forward. Straight forward. And move it forward an inch. I'll blast a hole through there and then maybe use a drill bit to center it, to finish it, clean it out. But plasma cutter is just a lot faster and cheaper than wasting all your drill bits. I think 1 inch would make a big difference from what I was looking at on the wheels earlier. Yeah, let's do that to both sides and then move this forward and stick a few bolts in it, and we'll see how the wheel well lines up. It should be pretty close to what we want. So we got these hangers moved forward, the whole rear axle. As you can tell, I ended up keeping this in the original spot and just moved the hanger forward. I went forward an inch. And this angle here still seems good, so should work. The wheel looks a lot better in the wheel opening. It's more centered, better than it was. I'm happy with it. That's what I'm going to go for bed to cab spacing. Looks about right. And then for the body mounts on this, I got this bed down as low as possible, but I still needed to come up 1.25 inches on the cab to make these body lines line up. So I'm just using washers. We'll see how that works. And I had to get different bolts. Got them ordered. They were supposed to come February 25th, and it's March 1st, so I got a hold of them, and they're going to send me another package, send me another batch. I don't know what happened. Usually don't have a problem with shipping, but this time I do, so I'm waiting on bolts. The bolts I had to get were 140. These are metric, so These bolts are 12 millimeter bolts, 1.75 thread angle, but I needed 140 millimeter long ones. Hardware stores and Menards, Tractor Supply didn't have any, so I had to order them online. I'm waiting on those to come in. But when those come in, I can go on with this. Get this body set right where we need it. It is pretty much, but I need to bolt it down. Then, when I get those bolts in, we're going to go on with the front end, get that all done, get the engine get worked on. It's getting 45% over injectors, head studded, head gaskets, typical Elvis Savage stuff. I got a bigger manifold, exhaust manifold, and bigger up pipes, bunch of stuff to run this thing about 500 horse. So looking forward to getting the front end together. But I know I haven't been posting like I want to as often as I want to, but work and waiting on parts is my holdup. So as far as the title and the front clip go, I bought another truck, or I'm going to, and it's a 62. So we're going to go with 1962. This is what this truck will be, a 1962. I'm going to get the title off that truck and, good number. But yeah, I should take this tape off and see how it looks with the windows, with the wing windows. Look pretty cool, I think, with those in the back and the front. One guy commented and said I should take those out. I don't think so. I like them. I like them a lot, so I'm going to keep them in. Got smaller mirrors for it. Yeah, I don't know how these next few videos will go because the guy I'm getting the title and the truck for the front clip is waiting on the BMD to get the title and get his name so he can put it in my name. But I will be slowly coming out with clips. You guys keep following along. What else? What do you guys think of the reveal of the frame underneath? As I had to come up with the cab a little bit. I had to do that on the other square body. The other square body swap or chassis swap that I did, that's on my channel here. That one, there's more chassis showing than originally, a 2000 truck would have had. Yeah, let me know how you like that underneath there. I think it looks good. It gives it a deeper look to it when you have a little bit of chassis showing underneath, but I don't like showing too much. Looks like it's just kind of popped on there if there's too much showing. I think it looks about right. Wheels are in the right place, and yeah, I think I'm gonna end up with this video. I don't know when those bolts will come in. Hopefully within the next week, and hopefully we can make a video of maybe going to Illinois to get that other truck with the front clip that has like a grill and everything on it. So should be pretty complete. I was looking for a grill and a grill backing plate, or what do you call that, the old Bolts grill. I wanted those two items and should be able to get it off this truck, hopefully. I'd rather use original steel than aftermarket. These fenders here, I'll show you here before I cut it off. these fenders here, this one don't fit too bad. These are aftermarkets. This one don't fit too bad. Like, that's workable. It's gonna need some maneuvering. Usually, past experience from getting fenders aftermarket, I usually haven't had problems with the body lines and, you know, curves and stuff lining up, but this one is just bad. I'm gonna have to do some finessing here with some body hammers and get that to fit better once I get the front on. More challenges upcoming. Got more upcoming challenges, but it's coming together. Yeah, this wheel opener here is looking pretty good, I think. If I put a lift kit on, maybe, thinking about it, that'll be less obvious if the wheel's in the center of the wheel opening. But I think it looks pretty good there. I guess I could show you what's going on with my dad's Monte Carlo. We got these sides put in, butt welded. Him and my brother are working on getting all this paint off these trunk lid and doors and whatnot. I sprayed this right here last night, or this morning I should say. Undercoating. Looking a lot better. Looking nice and clean. This week I'm gonna finish. What I'm doing on this thing right now is these doors were, what were they? 86 doors, and this car is an 84. So he decided just to, the original doors of this car, I was cutting this out. Well, I cut this section out of the original door, and I'm putting it in these these other 86 doors we bought. So that's that. Those are pretty clean. Got to put some primer on that and get that guide coat shot on that and get it all straight. But man, it's dusty. Dusty. Those doors had probably 3 layers of paint on them. So, yeah, to say the least, that was a lot of dust. But we got her off. That's the same thing I'm going to do with this thing, is take all the paint down to bare metal. Solid, but we're going to take all the paint off. So, like and follow if you guys like these videos. I'm going to keep posting all the way to finish. We got much more coming for this thing, and see if I can't, you know, film some stuff for this off this thing. See if it interests anybody on restoring this. But right now my channel is mainly about this thing. Still deciding on colors. Yeah, still deciding on colors. Frame's gonna get sandblasted and painted. So until the next one, if you guys like these videos, let me know. And my channel just got monetized, so pretty excited about that. Would like to go some places with this thing, so we'll see. But yeah, if you guys like, there's my dog. It's getting big. What you doing? Anyways, if you guys like my content,